Here's my hack for a colorful summer makeup look without being too dramatic or scary. This one's for the shy at heart, but wanting to be adventurous. Hi everyone, my name is Carrie, aka Glamonista08, and today I am talking about one of my go-to eyeshadow palettes and how to create a really simple and easy eyeshadow look for the summertime with a product you can get right here from eCosmetics. And this is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, an iconic item by Too Faced Cosmetics. If you've never heard of this palette, let me tell you, this is absolutely perfect. It comes in the classic Too Faced tin package. It is 18 beautiful shades of blendable color, and it has a really nice peachy tone. It has a couple of darker shades as well, and some really nice neutrals to tie everything in together. Each of the shadows have different finishes, and this is just a really great palette. Plus, it smells like peaches because it has peach extract in the shadows themselves. How cool is that? Makes you want to eat the eyeshadows, really. So I'm going to take you through really quickly how I got this eye look, which is giving a fun twist on a neutral everyday eye. I think peach orange tones are the easiest way to get some bright color into your makeup routine without having to branch out too far, and it's usually flattering no matter your complexion or undertones. So here's what I did in order to create this look. So this completes the peachy eye look, and once again you can get this straight from eCosmetics. I hope you guys enjoy. Now it's time to slay the day with the peachy eye look for the summertime.